Alright guys, on today's video we're going to show you how to change a tire on your Jeep Wrangler. Okay, so when taking your spare tire off of the back here, you'll see it has a little lock on there of the camera. So you have to find this kit and then open this kit up. And in here you'll see the instructions. Shows you exactly what you got to do for the topper and for the spare tire and for the doors. And you got the ratchet in there with the bits that go to it. So we'll just get that out here. Okay, so you just put the little ratchet together like that, and then down here, I don't know if you can see with the light, but it has a lock and an unlock. So I just kind of stick it in there and turn it, and then that should be it. And then this just slides right off like that. Okay, set that over here, and then you can get access to your last lug nut here. Set that one there. All right. And the last one's off, and then you can get your wheel off. And I'm not using the factory jack. I'm going to use a full jack. Pretty much goes in the same spots. I'll put this one underneath the axle right there. So now we can put our tire back on the back of the Jeep now. To like and subscribe, drop us a comment, and we'll see you on the next one.